Johor Bahru to celebrate for the first time Eid or Hari Raya in Malaysia.
Me and Gigi never saw a sultan ever in our life. When we were kids, we were in school, and because back in the day in Romania, the Ottoman Empire kept sometimes invading and the Romanian people kept kicking them out, we learned that the sultan looks something like this. And every day, hey, hello!
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, nice to meet you as well.
Feel great to meet you in person.
Thank you so much.
Been following you for 1 year.
Oh, nice. For 1 year.
You have moved to other country, then you come back here?
Yes, I come back because I like it here. Very nice country.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Yes. So as I was saying, we learned in school about the Sultan, and well, I never seen one live in person. And if we get a chance to see one today, perfect. That would be awesome. It will be the first Hari Raya ever, the first Sultan we ever see, and the first open house that we ever went to.
It is very interesting. It's supposed to be the richest Sultan in Malaysia and maybe one of the richest people in Malaysia. This is very interesting. Like, you can tell that by the type of cars that come here and the people that drive them and their outfits and everything else, you can definitely tell that you have to deal with a very rich family. And they like to show it off, but the people are also very generous with everyone else. It has been very organized, very clean, a lot of stands of food, and it has artificial grass on the floor. You don't see like dirt. There are like washrooms outside. It's super clean, and the people are definitely enjoying it because otherwise they wouldn't have come in such a huge number. Hundreds and hundreds of people, and the people are still coming and still coming. This goes to show you that the Sultanate here in Johor Bahru is very, very old, traditional. They're loved by the people and they're very generous. So that's very cool.
It seems like there's a lot of people, there's a lot of commotion, and there's a huge tent over there with people who are trying to get a glimpse of the Sultan and are trying to enjoy the food and enjoy the nice atmosphere.
And the nice weather, because look at Michael, he's like already soaking.
Yes, I am already soaking wet. I am not used to the humidity here in Malaysia yet, but slowly I will get used to it. Yes. Okay, Gigi, enough diddle-daddling. Let's go inside the tent and check it out.
I didn't expect this. There's a long tables and a lot of people and a lot of music too.
Holy mother of a lot of people, Gigi, there's a ton of people here. And I'm sweating like a pig. Okay, let's go and see what, because I have no idea what you're supposed to do here. You're supposed to mingle with the people and have a nice Hari Raya, I think. Let's see.
What I can notice here is the fact that this tent is massive. I think there are at least 500 people here, and they are gonna continue to come in and celebrate this day until 1 p.m. A lot of music, a lot of good energy, a lot of tourists from other countries too, because this is no more Corona, so this is really, really beautiful. A lot of good vibes, and I think a lot of good food too. So, Selamat Hari Raya to everyone for celebrating. Selamat Hari Raya! What you doing, Michael?
Gigi, thank God for the AC, otherwise I would have been even more drenched. Oh man, even in this tent, the humidity is through the roof. But I hope that this ACs are powerful enough to dry my shirt, otherwise I'm gonna be wet the whole day.
Pretty crazy, but very, very organized. It's very organized. How do you guys feel here? Is the first time you're here at the...
No, every year.
Every year?
Yes, every year. Every Raya will open house.
Open house?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. This is my first time ever.
Oh, this is your first time?
Yes.
Alright.
It's really nice. Okay.
You eat already?
No, not yet.
Oh.
We're just gonna go there and try to find something to eat.
Just look around first.
Yes.
And then you taste one by one.
One by one?
Yes.
Okay.
You must taste.
This is how we're supposed to do it. Okay.
Special
perfect.
eat. Special tupai.
Ketupat?
Ketupat.
Ketupat.
Special raya is ketupat.
Ketupat.
Yes, ketupat
Okay.
and rendang lah.
Ketupat and rendang.
Yeah.
Oh, rendang. Yes, I know rendang.
You know
But
rendang.
ketupat I don't know. But rendang I know. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. What's your name?
Maha.
Maha. Hari Raya. Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Hari Raya.
Thank you. Wow. Congratulations. Oh, my first time ever. I don't know. Hopefully we can see the Sultan.
Yeah, you can. You'll be able to see the Sultan. But he will be coming out, then we can take a selfie.
You think so?
Yeah.
Wow. I would love to do that. Really. This is our first time ever celebrating Hari Raya
In Malaysia.
in Malaysia or anywhere, like Eid anywhere.
You?
Yeah. So
Yeah, where from?
Romania. Really nice. So I'm very excited. Let's see. Maybe we have a chance to see him.
So much commotion here, and there's a lot of people here with phones and with the cameras because the Sultan is here. I'm excited. First time in my life I'm seeing a Sultan. That's so nice.
Hi. How are you?
Very good. How are you?
Nice to meet you. Do you mind if we take a picture together? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so
Johor
much.
Baru football team. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yay!
Thank you.
Very nice. Nice person.
You're very nice.
Hello.
I have no idea who he is, but he's a nice guy.
Michael is very good at shaking hands.
The Malaysian Chinese Association, MCA. His name is Wee. Datuk Seri Wee Ka Siong.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. So we're getting a one-to-one educational information here from our friend. So that's really, really good and useful. Thanks.
Where
How are you? How are you? I'm from Romania. Romania.
Romania.
Yes. And we're very happy to be here. Do you allow us to take a picture with you?
Yes.
It's okay?
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you
on
so
holiday?
much. Yes, we're traveling.
holiday.
Yes, and we're very happy to be here. I heard you're very loved.
I know, it's too many people, it's very hot.
You are the first Sultan that I ever meet ever in my life.
Thank you. I might see you in Romania.
Thank you so much.
Yes, hopefully. Thank you.
Hey, interesting.
Very lovely person. Hi. Do you mind if we take a picture?
Yeah.
Is it okay? Thank you. You have a great football team.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Are you working here?
No, just visiting.
Oh, for 1 month.
Yes, I like it. It's nice.
So far, how do you find Johor?
Nice.
Instead of the
peaceful,
weather,
quiet.
is very hot.
Yeah, the weather is a bit
and
hot,
rainy.
but other than that, it's okay. I like it.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Makan. She told us to makan.
Yes,
So this
makan.
is what we're
Time
gonna
to makan now, Gigi. Let's go. We took pictures with the Sultan, with his wife, with his son, with his friends, with his everybody, ministers. Now time to makan. Oh man, apparently the makan time is for everybody because there's everybody here. Literally all of Johor, I think, is here in this tent trying to figure out where to stay. And people already had some food, already have some juice. That's nice. And now, I don't know what we're supposed to do. Somehow, somewhere, in a way, we will find a way. Because we're the Dodo Explorers and we always find a way. Oh, Gigi, thank you. God bless the Sultan and God bless Hari Raya. Cheers. Okay, now that you were a good girl and you stayed in line for the drinks, I'm gonna stay in line for the food. Okay? Good.
Deal.
Let's see what we can get and where the line is starting. I think somewhere there. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe can. Ole. So they have in each one of these small like tent-looking things, they have a lot of food. They have biryani. They have charkwetiao. They even have ramli burger. So what do you want to get?
Humble burgers?
Yes.
I don't know. I think
Biryani, nasi something, roja,
do they
or
have nasi lemak?
charkwetiao. No, they have only nasi ketupat lemang.
Wow, Michael, you're such a gentleman.
Yes, I should be part of the catering team. I brought chairs, now I bring food.
Good job.
Oh yeah, Gigi! Finally, we get a chance to try the glorious makan of the Sultan.
Yeah,
It actually rhymes, you know, makan of the Sultan.
that's very good.
There's a fork for you,
Thank you.
and a fork for me.
Hi.
Hello! Hey!
Follow you subscribe.
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Okay, Gigi, so time for us to get the food. Which one do you want to start with?
I would love to start with a Quickmobile, as it's my favorite. So I know Eid is not about rating food, but it's about like enjoying the time with your friends and the people around. But nonetheless,
Good Quickmobile or not good?
it's a good Quickmobile.
Good. Let me go for the biryani because I have a interesting relationship with biryani, and for me biryani has to be like in a specific way. So let's see how it is.
It has raisins.
And it has some kind of sweet things.
Apricot.
It's good.
Seems like a samboy.
Oh, Gigi, you know the stuff.
Really, it tastes like a samboy.
Oh, and the meat.
Very good.
Mwah. And the sauce, very good. This is one good biryani. Interesting.
Big
And
shout
now,
out. Final one is rice and nasi kato. I think it was coconut milk.
coconut milk.
It blows in your mouth.
Coconut milk. Very good. That being said, time for us to continue our small little feast here on the table, and see you after we're finished.
A few moments later.
Hey Gigi, so much food here. I cannot anymore. Makan ne bole. Finish makan. But one thing that I learned here in Malaysia, you always have to take one little ramly burger with you, because you never know when you might need it. Right, Gigi?
That's true. That's our favorite.
Ramly burger for life. Cheers. Okay, let's see how we get out. If it's the same way as we got in. Gigi, now that we're leaving, I see there's a queue here. I wonder what it is. If there's one thing that my dad taught me, always if there's a queue, stay in line because you never know what you're gonna get. So, let's see. Maybe the Sultan has a special surprise for us. Terima kasih. Okay, looks like we got the goodie bag. Yay! Okay, the gifts that keeps on giving and keeps on coming and coming and coming. That's so cool. See, Gigi, it's a very good Hari Raya day today, right?
That's true.
Yes.
We got the food. We met the Sultan. We met the family.
We did a good job today. We celebrated our first Hari Raya ever, and it was with a bang, definitely. With the Sultan, with his brother, with his sister, with his mother, with his father, with the whole clan. And now with a goodie bag, time to say goodbye. I hope you liked the video, and see you in the next one, I guess.
See you in Malaysia.
See you, bye-bye. Terima kasih, sama-sama. Bye-bye.